For centuries, Earth was nothing more than a forgotten speck in the vast cosmic ocean, so insignificant that the most powerful civilizations in the galaxy chose to erase it from their maps entirely. The Galactic Council, a secretive alliance of advanced extraterrestrial species, deemed our planet too chaotic and unpredictable to be revealed to the wider universe. They cloaked Earth in invisibility, hiding it behind layers of cosmic deception, hoping to keep humanity isolated and unaware of the sprawling galactic stage just beyond our reach. But now, the veil has been lifted. Humanity's relentless drive for exploration and technological advancement has pierced through the Council's carefully woven secrecy. Signals from Earth ripple through space, and hidden eyes watch from the darkness. What was once a carefully guarded secret is on the brink of exposure, and the galaxy is about to learn that Earth, far from being a cosmic accident, is a force that cannot be ignored. The question now is not if the universe will find us, but how we will respond when it does. The hidden planet. For countless millennia, the universe has been a place of mystery, wonder, and endless exploration. Humanity has only recently begun to scratch the surface of its cosmic surroundings. Yet long before the first human telescope turned skyward, an ancient and powerful alliance of extraterrestrial civilizations, known as the Galactic Council, quietly governed the affairs of intelligent life across countless star systems. Their purpose was to preserve order and prevent cosmic conflicts that could threaten the delicate balance of the galaxy. Among the many inhabited planets scattered throughout the Milky Way, one world stood out: Earth. It was a seemingly ordinary, blue planet, orbiting an average star in a spiral arm of the galaxy. But Earth's inhabitants were unique, not because of advanced technology or cosmic power, but because of their raw, untamed potential. The humans on Earth were brash, innovative, unpredictable, and above all, growing at an astonishing pace. The Galactic Council considered Earth a wild card, a variable that could disrupt the careful equilibrium maintained among the stars. To protect the galaxy from what they perceived as potential chaos, the Council made a decision few outside their chambers would ever learn. Earth's existence must be hidden. To achieve this, the Council used their most advanced technologies, cloaking Earth's electromagnetic emissions, masking its planetary signals, and scrambling the data that passed through their galactic monitoring systems. Earth became the invisible planet, erased from star maps, undetectable to distant probes, and essentially hidden in plain sight. The cloaking directive and early human exploration. While humanity remained unaware of this cosmic concealment, their journey toward space exploration continued. The 20th century marked a turning point. Humanity developed the first radio telescopes, launched artificial satellites, and set foot on the moon. Yet, despite these remarkable advances, Earth's signals were muffled in the vastness of space, thanks to the Council's cloaking technologies. During the Cold War, a surge in satellite technology and space missions inadvertently began to pierce through the galactic fog. Early space probes such as Voyager 1 and 2 sent radio signals beyond the solar system, potentially risking exposure. The Council responded swiftly, reinforcing their cloaking shields and redirecting attention away from Earth. However, technological progress on Earth was accelerating exponentially. The rise of the Internet, global communication satellites, and space agencies worldwide meant that Earth was becoming louder in the cosmic void. For decades, this presented a paradox. The more humans connected and expanded their reach, the more difficult it became to keep them hidden. Signs of discovery. By the early 21st century, subtle anomalies began to appear. Some astronomers noticed strange disruptions in their deep space observations. Unexplained signals, odd gravitational signatures, and data inconsistencies suggested that something was interfering with the cosmic background. Conspiracy theories proliferated, from government cover-ups to alien contact, but most dismissed these claims as fantasy. Meanwhile, the Galactic Council convened in emergency sessions. Their members realized that Earth's cover was thinning. The planet's electromagnetic footprint was becoming increasingly difficult to mask, and humanity's probes were starting to venture beyond the solar system's protective heliosphere. If Earth was discovered, it could trigger galactic interest and possibly conflict. Within the Council, voices argued, Some advocated for open contact and peaceful inclusion of humanity in the galactic community. Others feared that humans' unpredictable nature could spark wars or be exploited by rival species. The leak and public revelation. The tipping point came when an intercepted communication between Council operatives on Earth was leaked to the public. The message, originally intended to remain secret, revealed the existence of the Galactic Council and their efforts to keep Earth hidden. The world was stunned. Governments scrambled to verify the authenticity of the leak, but evidence kept emerging. Unexplained sightings, whistleblower testimonies, and declassified documents painted a startling picture. Humanity had never been alone, and for centuries, powerful extraterrestrials had been watching and hiding them. The leak shattered old assumptions and sparked a global awakening. Social, political, and religious institutions faced upheaval as humanity grappled with their place in the cosmos. The age of isolation was over. Humanity at the galactic crossroads. With the veil lifted, Earth entered a new era. Other civilizations from the Galactic Council and beyond began to make contact, sending envoys, messages, and probes. Diplomatic channels opened, revealing astonishing knowledge of advanced technologies, interstellar travel, and cosmic histories. But the revelation also came with cautionary tales. The Galactic Council warned that Earth was now a focal point of cosmic scrutiny, and some species viewed humans as a potential threat or valuable asset. The future held both opportunity and peril. Humanity faced profound questions. How would they represent themselves? Could they unite as a species to engage peacefully with the galaxy? Or would old divisions and conflicts escalate on a universal scale? Scientists, philosophers, and leaders began to advocate for a new planetary vision, one that embraced unity, curiosity, and stewardship not just of Earth, but of the broader cosmos. The real science behind cosmic hiding. While the Galactic Council remains a work of fiction, the idea of hiding Earth from the galaxy touches on real scientific concepts. Earth's radio waves, for example, spread outwards into space at the speed of light, reaching nearby stars but becoming weaker with distance. The question of whether extraterrestrial civilizations can detect our broadcasts remains a topic of serious research. In reality, Earth's atmosphere, magnetic field, and solar system dynamics do create some noise that could mask or alter our signals. Scientists also explore the possibility of using advanced technologies, such as lasers or quantum communication, to send intentional or hidden messages into space. Furthermore, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, continues to monitor the skies for signs of other civilizations, while debates about the risks and benefits of actively broadcasting Earth's presence are ongoing. A balanced future between myth and reality. The story of the Galactic Council and Hidden Earth resonates because it blends human curiosity, fear, and hope with the vast unknown of space. It reminds us that our place in the universe is still largely a mystery, and that the truth about extraterrestrial life, whether peaceful neighbors or distant legends, remains to be discovered. As humanity reaches further into the cosmos, with missions to Mars, new telescopes scanning deep space, and international cooperation growing stronger, the idea that Earth might one day join a galactic community is no longer pure science fiction. Whether the Galactic Council exists or not, the real journey is about how we choose to explore, protect, and share our world, knowing that, in the grand scheme, we are part of a universe far greater than ourselves. The Galactic Council's dilemma. As the secret of Earth's existence rippled through the galaxy, the Galactic Council found itself at a crossroads. The centuries-old policy of isolation no longer served its purpose. Humanity's rise was no longer a quiet undercurrent, but a roaring wave impossible to contain. The Council convened in its sprawling chamber aboard the colossal starship Elysium, orbiting a neutral planet at the heart of the galaxy. Representatives from dozens of civilizations filled the hall, beings of countless shapes, sizes, and energies, each embodying millennia of cultural evolution and advanced technology. Council leader Varek, a towering figure whose translucent, skin shimmered with star-like constellations, addressed the assembly. Earth's revelation forces us to reconsider our role. We intended to shield them from harm, but in doing so, we may have stifled their growth. Now the galaxy watches. Some members argued Earth's impulsive and aggressive history posed a risk too great to allow open contact. Others saw an opportunity, a chance to welcome a species that had shown extraordinary creativity, resilience, and adaptability. The debate raged on, reflecting deep philosophical divides about control, freedom, and responsibility. What should the galaxy expect from a species that had until now been hidden and underestimated? Humanity's response, between fear and hope. Back on Earth, the leak ignited a spectrum of reactions. Governments struggled to maintain,